barged in.
Representing the Alliance, weighing 275 pounds, Mike Awesome!
It'll be Mike Awesome challenging Billy Gunn. And Al, you make a good point. You and Rivers are also on a first-name basis.
All right.
Going back a couple of years, fighting for the hardcore title with Hardcore Holly and the Mighty Mississippi. But
Felt like Mark Twain.
well, I know that Kurt Angle has just got to be beside himself, and you've got to wonder what is Kurt Angle going to do about the fact that the gold medals that he earned at the 1996 Olympic Games in Atlanta were tied to a brick and tossed over a bridge by Stone Cold Steve Austin. Lock up, collar and elbow, center of the ring. Two big bulls in here, though. Both men, though, Al, blessed with a lot of agility for their size.
Oh, these guys are both incredible athletes. Watch the way they move. Billy Gunn is so underrated as far as athletic ability. He is deceivingly big.
Take it over with a hip toss. Now Billy Gunn follows up with an arm drag. And Al, it looks to me as if history is any indicator, Billy Gunn is going to need to find a way to keep Mike Awesome grounded.
Well, you know, everybody's the same size on the mat, and that's where Billy's going to have most of his advantage. He's a very strong individual. People are, you know, they don't realize that until they actually step in the ring with him, which I've done several times.
Well, Mike Awesome now fights back to the vertical base. Using the assistance of some hair, backs Billy Gunn into the corner. Will we get a clean break? Well, a lot of Alliance members.
Oh, what a surprise.
Yeah, what a shock. Alliance taking on the WWF here in the hour. Canyon will defend the U.S. title here in the hour as Billy Gunn raises the boot and greets Mike Awesome's jaw rather rudely.
Neckbreaker.
Nicely done by Billy Gunn. First cover attempt of the match. Referee Chad Patton gets to 2, and Mike Awesome kicks out.
I don't think that was going to be enough on its own. Mike Awesome's the size of a Clydesdale. He's as strong as a Clydesdale, and about just as smart as one, too.
As we know, of course, Stone Cold Steve Austin now really playing mind games with Kurt Angle on SmackDown. Kurt issued a challenge, to Stone Cold Steve Austin for a rematch for the WWF title at Unforgiven.
Wow.
Look at Mike Awesome go.
Look at the agility. A guy who weighs 180 pounds would have trouble doing that.
Mike Awesome at 280, though, does it with ease. Although it's had some impact on Mike Awesome as well, I'm sure that Billy Gunn is stunned right now.
That is a prime example of why this guy is so dangerous, because he's able to pull off maneuvers that 180, 200-pound guy has trouble doing himself.
Now getting down and dirty out on the floor. Referee Chad Patton going to have a hard time controlling this one. As we know, the Alliance members, they'll do anything they can to win. And, you know, speaking of an Alliance member, the strange obsession that Hurricane Helms has with the Green Lantern. Al, I know you're a comic book guy. I'm kind of lost on this whole Green Lantern thing. You know, what's the deal here?
Well, you know, Green Lantern was a tough guy. He had the most powerful weapon in the entire universe.
Oh, man!
Which basically consisted of like a green wedding ring that he wore on his hand.
Wait a minute, it's over. No, it's not. Billy Gunn rolls his shoulder up, and Mike Awesome is surprised. Well, regardless, the Hurricane, as he'd like to be known, is now the European champion. A shocking upset of Matt Hardy, greatly assisted by Ivory. Full slam, center of the ring. Of course, Ivory coming down, pulling a page right out of Tanya Harding's book, Al. Whacking Lita in the back of the leg.
That's right. It was the Olympics all over again.
Look out! Out of the way, just the nick of time. Mike Awesome may have taken a moment too long up on that top rope to think about it before trying the big splash. Both men are down. This has been a physical war.
Come on, Billy, come on.
World Wrestling Federation needs some momentum right now. The Alliance has been getting the best of us lately. Crowd getting behind Billy Gunn. What a week, of course, for Rhino as well. Scored a tag team victory over the Rock. We'll talk more about that later on as Billy Gunn now. Series of right hands. Sends Mike Awesome across.
Big elbow.
Back of the elbow, center of the chest. Cover, count of 2. Billy Gunn now starting to build some momentum.
I think the crowd getting behind him really helped.
Irish whip. Awesome, hard to the buckle. And now Billy Gunn. A mistake
And
there.
right into the ring post.
A big-time mistake. And Mike Awesome's going to make him pay. Look out, Al. Running Awesome Bob time.
Man.
Oh, Billy Gunn slides up.